Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix EA FC25 crashing. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, if you're having problems with your EA FC25 here, and in this case it keeps crashing, there are a few things that you need to do. So, first things first is you need to make sure that you have the latest update of the game. So typically, you want to go ahead and open up your Steam here, and you want to go to downloads, and if you do see an update for FC25, make sure to install that. Now also, you might want to verify your files as well. So in this case, you want to go to your library here, and you want to look for FC25, and you want to right click on it, and you want to go to properties. Now, under properties, you want to go to install files and just click on the verify integrity of game files. Now, typically verifying the integrity of the game files will solve a lot of issues here, but if not, there are still a few things that you need to do here to resolve this issue. Now, another thing that you need to look here or look at honestly on the game is you might want to actually reduce the graphics settings that you have or you've set up for your FC25. So sometimes if your computer can't actually keep up with the graphic settings that you've set up, this will actually cause it to crash. So reducing the quality or reducing the graphic settings to a lower setting could actually solve this issue. But if you've already did that, what you need to do next is you need to look for the actual icon for FC25. So in this case, you want to look for FC25 and you want to go ahead and right click on it and you want to go to properties. Now here, you want to go to compatibility and you want to enable defaulting. So first is you want to enable disable full screen optimizations. You want to make sure that it actually runs in program as administrator. And you could also, but this is optional, you could go and click on the run the program in compatibility mode for and just choose Windows 8 and just click on apply and OK and try running the game itself. Now in this case, those are the steps that you could do here to probably solve this issue. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.